Hello and thank you for watching. I'm Ashley Van Dyke with Advantage Software, and on today's video, I'm going to show you how you can reset your real-time statistics. And this will work while you're in the middle of the job. There might be a variety of reasons that during real time you'd like to reset your real-time statistics. If you're doing practice, you can reset your statistics between practice sessions without having to restart your real time. Or if you just want to make sure that you have a good idea of everything that's happening between each witness or each captioning event. Depending on the kind of work that you do and your needs, your usage of this feature might vary. I'm going to start a virtual real-time translation. And as I allow text to flow into the document and be translated, over on the left-hand side, my statistics come up. I'll make this font a little bit bigger. So all of the statistics for what I have written so far are listed in this window. I'm going to pause my input for a moment, and now I can go to Tools, Edit Toggles, and one of the options here is Clear Stats. If I hit this window, it's going to clear out everything except for my word per minute. And so at this point, I have a new entry count and untran and conflict information. And if I close this window and continue allowing virtual real-time input, that information starts counting again from 0. And I can go to Tools, Edit Toggles, and hit Clear Stats anytime I need to, as often as I need to, for whatever purpose I have for this feature. Edit Toggles is also typically accessible by pressing Ctrl-Shift-E, and again, you can just press Clear Stats. Don't forget that Advantage Software offers anytime support. Tech support can be reached with any question anytime, including weekends and holidays at 772-288-3266. Email support is also available at support@eclipsecat.com. Thanks for watching this video. Please hit the thumbs up button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so that you'll be notified when we publish new content in the future. Thank you so much and have a great day.